My name is Carl Shenholm. I'm a retired veterinarian. I practiced for 58 years, and I started to have some problems. 7 years ago, I started showing signs of macular degeneration. Following that, I had 2 knee replacements and a hip replacement. And starting last December, I started taking glutathione, or taking Mini-Cal, which stimulates glutathione, and I started to see some improvement on the 123rd day. That was the first day I could see my face in the mirror while I was shaving. I was overjoyed. I walked into the kitchen, I could see my wife's face. I was still even more impressed. So now, every day as time goes by, the eyes seem to get better. I've got 180 degrees of vision in my left eye. I've got 45 degrees in my right eye, and the other 45 degrees on this side is improving. It's foggy yet, but I can see through it. And this stuff has been a miracle to me, and I just love it. I would never get off it.